What's up, guys? My name is Van, aka DoorDash Tips. Today we're doing a video of what Uber Eats tips and tricks, Uber Eats and Grubhub tips and tricks, what to accept, what to decline. All right. First thing first, please smash the like for the YouTube algorithm and subscribe and ring the bell, fam. All right, let's go. All right. First one is a no-brainer. Talk about with Grubhub. 6.7 for 721. Put a screenshot over here. 6.7 for 721. All right, that's gonna be a decline. Like I said in my previous videos, try to aim for $7 minimum pay when it's slow and $8 when it's busy, and at least $1.80 per mile. So that's barely $1 per mile. That's gonna be a decline. All right. Next up, we got a $7 for $7.07 for 8.7 miles. That's gonna be an easy decline. It's a 7-Eleven order. That's less than $1 per mile. That's gonna be a decline. So once again, when it's low, minimum pay of $7 and or $1.80 per mile. Next up, Jack in the Box, $3.57 for 6 miles, easy decline. All right, so now we're gonna do the accept orders. $9 for 1.7 miles at McDonald's. I know this is at 10:20, but this McDonald's only took me like 10 minutes to get in and out there, even with the drive-through. 10 minutes, 6 car deep. $9.09 for 1.7. During the day, that's an easy accept. At night, after 9 p.m., you gotta know your local McDonald's or fast food restaurant. $9.09 for 1.7. That's an easy accept right there. Next up, $12.45 for 5 miles. $12.45 for 5 miles. That's an easy accept. That's like $2.25, $2.50 per mile. That's an easy accept. So there you have it, fam. Minimum pay of $7 and or $1.80 per mile. When it's late night, know your local fast food restaurant drive-through when it's after 9 p.m. So today's just a quick Uber Eats and Grubhub tips and tricks on what to accept, what to decline. And sorry, I don't have any order that's like on the edge, you know, like on the borderline of what to accept, what to decline. But you know, just make your own decision. Yeah, once you do this for like 2 months, you're gonna get the hang of it, you know. But if you watch my previous videos, I probably said the same thing. And my ride along don't get too many views, so I'm gonna do tips and tricks for you guys. So thank you everybody for watching. See you guys on the next one. Peace, fam. Alright, fam, this tips and tricks video is only 3 minutes, so we're gonna throw in a ride along, you know, to make it longer than 8 minutes. So I'm gonna throw in like another 5-minute ride along. Alright, thanks for watching all the way to the end, fam. Yo, what's good? It's your boy DoorDash Tips, back at another food delivery ride along tonight, fam. First one, we got a $9 for 1.7 miles at McDonald's, and it's not looking too shabby. Let's go. $7.71, yes. Thank you, sir. Yes, sir. Shout out to McDonald's on Federal and Jewel. 6 car deep, in and out in like 10 minutes. Awesome job, guys. Let's go. From here to customer's house is like 8 blocks away. First one is a banger, fam. Can't wait to get the second one. Oh yeah, had a few clown orders popping up. I got a new line, fam. Take the bus there, you buffoon. Second order tonight, Tacos Los Compas, $12 for 4 miles. Let's go. All right. It is 12 a.m. Just took a lunch break at Sonic. We got a 4 for $7.50 McDonald's in Edgewater, just 3 blocks down the street. This McDonald's pretty fast, so I'm taking a chance on this one. Let's go. Yeah, earlier I said something about DoorDash hiding tips. So with DoorDash, yeah, to spot the hidden tips, you look at the number of items and the type of restaurant. You know, if it's a high-end restaurant and the number of items is high, then there's a good chance that's going to be a hidden tip. So I guess that's how you spot hidden tips on DoorDash. And also apply the same principle as I told you. You know, minimum pay up $7 when it's slow, minimum pay up $8 when it's busy, and $1.80 per mile for DoorDash. All right. Driving to McDonald's. Maybe I'll make this video a little bit longer, guys. You know, short videos don't get pushed by YouTube. Try and make this around 20 minutes or so. Heck, might as well go for 1 hour. Let's see where the night takes us, huh? Sometimes I get like distracted with other things and I stop like recording. Alright, McDonald's in Edgewater. Late night hustling, fam. Let's get it. Now you know why I said I took a chance, right? Look like there's only one car at the speaker and maybe another 2 cars in the drive-thru. So my guess is just 3 cars in the drive-thru total. It is 12 a.m. Saturday night. Yeah. Yep. Late Friday, Saturday morning. Friday night, Saturday morning. 12 a.m. Saturday morning. All right, let's go get our Mickey D's, fam. Let's get it. I have Uber 90E.
90E, sir?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, we have it ready.
Thank you very much. We might be in and out in 2 minutes. This is the McDonald's on 17 and Sheridan, fam. Only one car ahead of me. It even amazes myself. Only one car ahead of me. All right, we'll be in and out here in 1 minute, fam. That's what I'm talking about. Just know your local McDonald's, fam. Not every McDonald's is 20 car deep, you know. I know some other cities, you guys, like when I was in Dayton, Ohio, every McDonald's was 20 car deep, but in Denver, it's hit or miss. Yeah, one of my first DoorDash ride along was shot in Franklin, Ohio. Yeah, it was like 20 car deep, 3 times the same night. DoorDash ride along. Very cool McDonald's employees here, man. Some of them follow me on TikTok too. Win-win situation. Yeah, they're one of my favorites. The one on Hamden and Galapago is also a nice one. Makes the day go a lot faster when everybody's being nice and civil, you know. You see all those viral McDonald's videos on TikTok and YouTube Shorts, right? Yeah, we don't want none of that, man.
Make a left turn on.
All right. Here at the customer's house is 9 minutes, 4.3 miles. I know I said this before, but I'm gonna say it again. The great thing about late night delivery, no traffic. The bad thing, the wait at the drive-thru. So it's one of those catch-22 dilemma, whatever type of deal, you know. So today we got no cars at the drive-thru and no traffic. So this one is a win, fam. This is a W. Yes, sir. Wow, here's another first, fam. It's 12 a.m. It's 61 degrees right now. Wow. That is amazing. I know this is a controversial topic, but
In a quarter mile, make a right turn on West 38th Avenue using
I do
the
believe in
open
climate
lane.
change. Yeah, I just want to put that out there. You know, I hate to talk about politics, but you know, I do believe in climate change. Yeah, like back in the 90s, we would get snow by now in Denver. It would snow around like September 20th.
On West 38th Avenue.
This is like the end of October. Still no snow, fam. 61 degrees for a late October night. Wow. That is amazing. I'm not complaining, but you know, I'm just saying things are different now than 20 years ago. Alright, fam. I discovered a new trick today. I had a shopping order, one item at CVS. The thing is, this CVS is open 24, but only the drive-thru is open after 9 p.m. The lobby is closed, but the drive-thru is open. So I'm not 100% sure if all the drive-thru pharmacists will work with you on these Uber Eats shopping order, but this one is 22 for 7 miles, I believe. Yeah, that's banging, fam. And the total ETA was 30 minutes. I think I get this done in 25. Yeah, 25 minutes, 7 miles total for 22. Man, that is banging, fam. So all my Denver drivers, CVS on 38th and Sheridan, fam, just go through the drive-thru late night. They will work with you. At least this one did. Just one item. Let's go, fam. 22 for 7. Let's get it.
They'll make a slight left
All
turn
right,
on
just
West
dropped off that
38th.
CVS one item shopping order. Man, that's gotta be the best order of this week by far. Yeah, best order of this week, fam. Next up, we got $21 for 12 miles. 2 and 2. Yeah, 2 restaurant, 2 customer. First one is Tacos Los Compas, which is a hit or miss. Sometimes the wait is 15 minutes, sometimes it's under 5 minutes. The lobby is open, but today is Friday night, Saturday morning. Big Daddy's is hit or miss as well. Sometimes it's ready. Sometimes you gotta wait 10 minutes. So I am taking a chance on this 21 for 12. All right, let's go to Tacos Los Compas, fam. Let's go. All right, just pick up from Big Daddy's Pizza, and the guy that works there, he said he just got approved for Uber Eats, and he asked me for some tips and tricks. I'm like, just subscribe to my YouTube channel. Forgot what his name is, but he works at Big Daddy's on Colfax. See you on the road, brother. He's really cool, man. All right, fam, next
Make a
up we
right
got
turn, then make a
Jack in the
right
Box. I think this one is 10 for 6. Not too shabby. Jack in the Box on Kipling. Let's go. All right, only 3 car deep. That's what I'm talking about, baby. All right, fam. Last order. I beat the Uber driver to the punch. I guess they were taking an Uber home and they ordered Uber Eats at the same time. I arrived 1 minute before they got home. Man, that's the first for me. So I noticed when I take an Uber, they ask like, do you want something to eat when you get home? But this time I beat the Uber driver at 2 a.m. That's pretty cool. So next up we got Denny's order, 12 for 6 or something. Not too shabby. And this might be the last order tonight, fam. Let's go. All right, so I declined a 16 for 12, $16 for 12 miles added to queue. 1 minute later, a 12 for 5 was added to queue. And it should be ready. Should be ready after I pick up from Denny's. So good way to close out the night, fam. So by the time I finish this double stack, it might be around 3 a.m. So good way to close out the night. Winning. Thank you for watching, fam. Keep you guys posted on earnings when I get home. Let's go. Alright fam, just dropped out the last order. It is 2:43 a.m. Today I only worked for, let's see, 4 hours 15 minutes. And with the last 3 orders pending, I think we probably made like 115 or 120 in 4 hours 15 minutes. I'd say that's a really good night, fam, considering I missed the dinner rush tonight. I didn't start working today till 8 p.m. or so. I worked from 8 to 9 and I went home, took a little nap because I had some migraine headache. Got back out there like at 11, worked from like 11 to 2. 4 hours 15 minutes, and I made, I say like roughly 115 to 120. Pretty good Friday night. Thank you everybody for watching. Have a good night, fam. See you guys on the next one. Peace. Holly, Tim, smash the like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, fam. Thank you for watching. See you guys on the next one. Alright fam, so finally all the earnings have come in. 128 in 4 hours 15 minutes. That's $30 per hour. Very good night last night, fam. Let's look at all the good orders from yesterday, huh? Let's go. Yeah, this one was a banger last night, fam. Last one of the night. $30, 43 minutes, 6.6 miles. Good way to close out the night, right? This one was okay. I got stuck at this double stack, 2 restaurant. Yeah, I waited too long there, so that was a L for me. This one was really good, fam. 22. That one item CVS shopping order, and yeah, I should have canceled what is it? Tacos Los Compas, like at 1 a.m. or something, or 12 a.m. But it was like almost at the end of the night, so I guess plus I was editing my video or something, you know. I think I waited like 10 or 15 minutes at that one, and then the Big Daddy's was ready. So that order took me an hour 20 minutes for that double stack. So it's only $20. So yeah, that was a bad move by me. But besides that, yeah, I still made $30 per hour, fam. Not too shabby, right? So besides the double stack for only $20 and took me like an hour 20 minutes, everything else was good, fam. The last double stack to close out the night was a banger. Thank you everybody for watching. See you guys on the next one. Peace.